Hey everyone, welcome back. So, what do you think today's episode is about? Any guesses? Well, it is me responding to comments. So, for those of you who have watched before, we had done an episode like that. It was our highest reaching episode, and all of you had suggested that we make this into a series. Abhi, last time we shot for this, just so happened that there was a sudden change across the entire audience on Instagram and Facebook. We searched for interesting, critiquing, not so kind comments to respond to and found nothing. Like they were all sweet comments, they were full of love, they were full of appreciation. So the second part we did had that theme, and I thought probably this is what world peace is. Shayad Satyug वापस आ गया हो, maybe everyone is only going to say kind things from now on, but no, that didn't happen. Last 1 to 2 weeks, we did manage to find some comments which were a little extra. That will be the topic for part 3 of me responding to comments. So how excited are you guys? Because I can't wait. Let's get started. Alright, let's get started. So, there was a post I had put on Instagram which was about my vacation photos. It was like a 20 picture vacation crumb thing that I had posted. And the first picture was a back shot of mine. Now, I have a birthmark, and throughout my life, I have always been asked multiple things about that mark for those who didn't know. So I thought it would be a great way to clarify because a lot of you have doubts on this. The first comment I got is from SVM India, who asked, is that love bites in the first pic? It's not. And it's also a very odd place to kind of, it's not, I think, logistically easy to do. So it's not. Now, on the similar topic, or similar picture, same picture, Work and Parties has asked, is that love bite or scratches? Again, I'm clarifying, it's none, it's a birthmark. TX145 is straight away asking, who scratched your back? Dude, nobody did. No one has the guts to. Because I will punch back. It's not a scratch, it's a birthmark. Now, I responded to them on DMs and everything, but this didn't stop. Hustler Nilesh is informing me, love bite dikh raha hai. Like, it is being seen, man. We can see it. Nilesh, I assure you, if it was one, I wouldn't be posting it on Insta. For sure. The beast incarnate. Those scratches on your back. लगता है तगड़ा romance हुआ है. Guys, I just want to make one thing clear on behalf of the entire female gender. I don't know if there are a few exceptions who think of it that way, but I think the 90s movies has kind of warped our sense of what romance is. It's definitely not scratching somebody so hard on the back that it bruises. So no, the romance happened, but not the way that you are interpreting. Now the last one, which is by Aksa249. Scratch in back. Seems like a wild things happen. Fire. Want to do same with you. No, dude, brother, buddy, you can't. And that didn't happen in the first place. I repeat, it's a birthmark. Okay. Continuing in the same series of comments, Nagendra Gwala _ says, आपके back पे चोट लगी है. It's very cute because there are some of you who are actually concerned that I got hurt. I didn't. Okay, I think thankfully, yeah, those are the only questions about the birthmark on my back which got interpreted in multiple different ways. So I will move on to the next set of comments to respond to. So the comment goes like this. It's from MKey1969. It's a 4-part comment, so I will give a 4-part response to this. First part, go get married. Maybe I will, I don't know. Live happily. Uncle, have you considered maybe I'm already living happily? Third part, shut down your career. Uncle, I don't feel like. And fourth part, he says, focus on your future. Uncle, I only want to say one thing. If you focus on the present, the future will take care of itself. This is not a mean comment. This is one of the nicest comments I have received. And मतलब मैं बोल रही थी कि यार लास्ट के एपिसोड में बहुत सारे अच्छे अच्छे कमेंट्स ही आए. This needs to be included in today's comment because while there are some guys who really don't know how to comment, there are some who give a masterclass on how to do it. So this is from fashionable_Alia. अगर आपकी हिंदी थोड़ी वीक है तो शायद आपको डिक्शनरी लगे, इसके लिए पता नहीं, देख लीजिए. पूनम जी, आप ब्लैक साड़ी में सचमुच एक रोशनी सी चमक रही हैं, बिल्कुल एक सितारा जो स्टेज को अपनी अदा से रोशन करता है. आपकी वो दिलकश स्माइल मानो एक गीत हो, हर दिल को छू जाता है और हर अदा में एक अलग ही जादू है. आपकी मखमली जिस्म, ओ माय गॉड, और वो स्ट्रॉबेरी जैसे रसीले लाल लिप्स, बिल्कुल एक कलात्मक तस्वीर की तरह जो हर नजर को अपनी तरफ खींच लेती है. आपकी सॉफ्टनेस जैसे गुलाब की पंखुड़ियां इतनी नाजुक और खूबसूरत है कि हर कोई आपकी अदाकारी और शख्सियत का दीवाना हो जाए. आप एक सच्ची आर्टिस्ट हैं और आपकी हर परफॉर्मेंस दिल में घर कर जाती है. Thank you so much fashionable_Alia. This is the nicest comment I have received this year, I think. This definitely deserved a thank you and a like, which I've given. Much love to you. So, एक और sweet comment इसके पहले कि मैं दूसरे comments पे जाऊँ. This is just a motivational comment. I am not even sure for which post it is, but it's from oh man. Okay, this is like a formula, the user ID, so I will skip it. Probably it will come on the screen. He says, don't let someone dim your lights simply because it's shining in their eyes. I promise you I won't. Okie dokie. Now we come back to the more interesting comments. These were very sweet and they were a good start to my day. I will go on to the next one. It is from Rahul164 and he's asking me, are you there in Malayalam matrimony? Rahul, I'm really not. And just in case you're chatting with someone who kind of says she's me and it's not me. So I just need to warn you about that. But I'm curious, is there someone on matrimony that looks like me? Please let me know, guys. All right, this says it's from Pilechan_77 and there's a crying emoji with it, आंसू के साथ. और इनका कहना है, waiting for your pure bikini picture since 2019. So are you saying the pictures I'm posting now are impure? मतलब आपको शुद्ध एकदम सात्विक बिकिनी फोटो चाहिए. आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ दैट एग्जिस्ट एक्चुअली. just the pure and bikini don't go together, I feel. But I get the drift of your sentiment. I think you'll have to continue waiting for a bit more. Please don't mind that. Okay, this is again a compliment. Are you a black rose? Because you are unique, beautiful and stand out in any garden. Guys, I love cheesy comments. Please keep them coming. I think cheesy stuff is what makes the world go round. ठीक है, ये भी compliment ही हुआ, but again in the line of comments that refer to me as something edible. I know the sentiment is cute, but I'm not sure. This is by King Waiting for Queen 0123. He says, my kaju, my badam, my all dry fruit of energy. तो भाई मुझे हलवाई बना दो फिर. मैं स्वीट शॉप खोल देती हूँ यहाँ पे. काजू, बादाम और सारे ड्राई फ्रूट. थैंक यू. I think that is meant as the ultimate compliment. I shall take it as one. This is again a cute compliment. It's from Time Trespasser 123. He says, I am blushing. Means he is blushing. And I think ये मेरी थोड़ी hot pick के लिए reaction था, लेकिन लॉजिकली मुझे लगा कि ब्लश तो मुझे करना चाहिए, बट ठीक है, आई थिंक ही इज ब्लशिंग सो इट्स फाइन. ओके, I don't know whether to do this question or not. It's from the ID called Lustry Actresses. I am not one of them. But the idea of this guy is, he just straight away says, adopt me mom. Nahin, kyun? See, guys, those who love dogs will take this the wrong way. Please don't. I mean it with utmost love. I have always thought maybe I'll adopt a dog. Then I have a bunch of friends who say all men are dogs. But I didn't mean to adopt that kind of dog. I was talking of a real dog. So, Mr. Lusty Actress, I cannot. But thank you for the proposal. I'll keep it in mind for future references, if at all I change my mind. So the next one is from Reddy. No, I don't think it's the one. It is Reddy1233. He says, dear small request, I think he meant you. You came on my dreams but with pimples. I want to assure you the next time I will use clean and clear and come. Don't worry about it. Pimples is not the end of the world, baby. I love you either ways. Okay. Next one is from Raghuvaran_Raghu. It's a cute pickup line actually. He says, do you believe in love at first scroll? Or should I comment again? Raghu, I'm sorry. I will have to tell you the honest truth. I don't think love happens at first scroll ever. Because the whole country is doing this for several hours every day. Scrolling comment after comment, reel after reel, and still not falling in love, I guess. So you will have to comment again. I'm sorry. And there is one more comment from Panditayan.Vajpayee, who says, but we want to see armpit only. So dude, I have a suggestion for you. You go to the mirror and do this. And you can see your armpit the whole day. No one's going to stop you. It's a free country. It's a safe space. Just, I hope you got to see the armpit after following my suggestion. Please let me know in the comment section down below. Okay guys, I think we ran out of comments. So guys, that's it for today's episode. Hope you enjoyed it. Just in case there are comments that you want me to respond on, please feel free to comment your comment in the comment section down below. It's quite easy to find. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. God bless.